not necessarily only mining of gold. Maybe there are so many factors. We can't just come to a conclusion because we don't know yet. That's what I'm saying. When the report prepared by Pollution Control Board, they said it is within the prescribed limit. Again, that's what we have problem. So let us see. If need be again, maybe government can engage the expert from outside the Pollution Control Board, and that we will see later. Control Board, the State Pollution Control Board, di nakapuas si Cortes, tenlay kuma ka report kabayo naki kalau within a prescribed limit. Hagwiday bat katuka kaasit lani katuka dawyong tay. Again, kamdon kaban ong mengiyok report bakalong kadaw tunay. Balay ba kajia begitu di dok hakiyam. Dan balay ka ka kelarong bro. Ya kata ngimyo ka detail ten railong ngila ain section ba ka state pollution control board. Bakin take care. Kini na markir kidon ke scientist. Kitiar kita ngebiang nak tapi tes. Ya ketika wak.